Hello, welcome to RCR Wireless News coverage at Futurecom 2016. I'm with Fred Silva, Engineering Manager at Qualcomm, and he's going to show us about an IoT project in Brazil. So, what is it?
Hi, this is a board that we create for drones, and our project in Brazil is collaborating with Embrapa, the biggest agro company in Brazil that is creating these drones for agro algorithms. The idea is to help the small farmer, the medium farmer, to have some kind of index that can help them to identify, for example, hydraulic stress, soil utilization, and these kind of things that will help him to have a better performance in his crop. So the idea is to use this board. This board includes all the needs that you have to build a drone. And with these algorithms that Embrapa have the knowledge put inside here, we can provide a full embedded solution for the farmer.
And is it already in use? And if it is, what kind of results Embrapa already has?
We are creating this proof of concept. We are in the middle of the project. The idea is for the beginning of next year, we will have the first results. And the idea is to bring this value to the small farmer. So really to understand what they're using and can have a better use, for example, of pest control. That's a really expensive product, and the idea is to bring this value for them to be more efficient.
And how did Qualcomm build the ecosystems to come up with this project? I mean, what was the Qualcomm role, Embrapa role, and Carrier's role?
Okay, Qualcomm is bringing our knowledge of mobile marketing. So pretty much this board, it's a handset, it's a smartphone with all the processor and all knowledge that we have about cameras that can help the guy to do this. Embrapa is bringing the knowledge about agriculture, so they have the knowledge on how to understand the information and give the insights to the farmer. And the carriers are helping us to build the connectivity in the field and to reach these people. So really it's important to have, for example, connectivity to have the real-time information. So the drone is flying and the farmer can have real-time information in his app.
And we know that in Brazil, where farms are, normally we can have poor connectivity or problems with connectivity on 3G or broadband. How will Qualcomm solve these problems? Or is it a challenge to face and to solve this?
Definitely it's a challenge, but we are trying to solve this together with the carriers, bringing, for example, the concept of small cells to this farmer side, to this countryside, as well have technologies like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth that have evolved in the last years and can help with this online integration. So it's indeed a challenge, but we are solving together with the carriers.
And what is Qualcomm expectations on IoT deployments in Brazil?
We have the best expectation because, for example, thinking about numbers, we have, for example, 200 million heads of calls in Brazil. So it's a huge market that we can, for example, connect each one of these animals with a small earring with Bluetooth. So it's a huge market. We can bring value to these people, facilitate our agropecuary, and create really value because we are already lead in agribusiness. So we can put the technology to be with a lot of more performance.
Do you think agribusiness is the major sector where IoT would make more sense to adopt?
For sure, it's the biggest vertical that we have in Brazil because, as I said, it's today our biggest economic traction that we have in the country and where we have a huge need to put technology there. So for sure it's the place where we can put and have the huge benefits in the beginning. But as well, smart cities, house connected is another verticals that will bring benefit to us to implement the solutions.
And when Huawei does expect IoT to become more a reality and less pilot projects in Brazil?
We think that in the next coming years, really in short term, this will become a reality. Brazil, it's accelerating really fast on this. So we already have projects like this in Embrapa and connected warehouses projects and all the ecosystem, the Brazilian manufacturers, companies, scientists, universities, everyone is looking for it. And Brazil have a really good background to create this kind of solution. So in the next years, this should accelerate really quickly and we should have commercial solutions.
Thank you a lot for this interview.
Thank you.
I'm Roberta Prescott. Stay tuned at rcrwireless.com.